Liberty's life is dedicated to teaching entertainers to become wealthy entrepreneurs. I'm so happy. This is my book. This is my book that I wrote. Thank you, Jesus. And thank you for inspiring me. Mama and Kathy, everybody out there watching. This was me. I lost 250 pounds and everybody's like, you should write a book. Well, I have a free television channel, but the book is only $9 or you can get it on Kindle. You can pay for it like I did for $9 and get it shipped, $9 plus shipping and tax, but the first 100 people only because I am going to be an Amazon bestseller author. So, hey, legend, yes, you. Thanks for reading. In 2015, Liberty changed her name to Liberty v. Justice with the intention of becoming financially free billionaire. And to show you how to do it. You're worth it. Liberty owns I'm Worth It Inc., an entertainment empire. Liberty is an author, speaker, and filmmaker who moved to Los Angeles with the vision of changing the lives of entertainers by helping you heal of your traumas and feeling good about making contributions through your art and becoming wealthy and well known so you can help others. Liberty's life is dedicated to teaching entertainers to become wealthy entrepreneurs. I'm so happy. And it's out now on Amazon. You can get it free on Kindle, or you can pay the $9 plus shipping and get the paperback like I did. I am so excited. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. I know. I paid my master's degree in writing because I'm worth it. Woo! Bless the Lord at all times. He gave this mission to me, this purpose to help you heal emotionally, okay? I want you to get the book. Get it free. Read it. Use it every day. Practice what I'm teaching you. It is about losing weight, but it's more about being healthy. So make sure you check out the playlist here on YouTube. It's called Self-Worth. Tastes like money. My 250-pound weight loss journey, step by step, how you can do it. And get the book, which is free, okay, on Kindle. Or if you want the paperback, it's only $9 plus shipping. Get it now, okay? Because the first 100 people that get it, only the first 100 people that order the paperback will get it at that $9, okay? So have a coaching program, and I will coach you one-on-one. We do one call for $250, or if you're really serious, we can talk about it. I have different packages and different courses, so it is my pleasure to serve you, and make sure that you go and look at all the resources that are in this episode because I know I'm worth it. I know I am capable. I can do all things through Christ, Philippians 4:13, and it's my mission in life to serve you and help you grow emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually, socially, and financially. You're worth it. The best payment I could ever receive is you living your dreams, being financially free, and saying, I believed in me because you believed in me.
Baby,
Liberty.
I believe
Liberty
in you.
does this by modeling the behaviors and teaching you how to love and value yourself while creating your art. You are worth it. Self-worth tastes like money.